HoverAir X1. This drone follows you like a Clingy X, but takes better videos. You've had cameras. You've had tripods. But have you had a drone that follows you hands-free, launches from your palm like Iron Man, and captures your best angles mid-run, mid-ride, or mid-dab? Enter the HoverAir X1 Self-Flying Camera, your new personal paparazzi that actually knows what it's doing. With advanced visual inertial odometry and AI-powered follow-me mode at 15 miles per hour, this little beast keeps you center stage no matter what stunt you pull. From cycling to skating to dancing like no one's watching, except your drone, it nails the shot every single time, without you lifting a finger. This ain't your uncle's clunky drone. Weighing in at just 125 grams, yep, lighter than your iPhone, the HoverAir X1 is foldable, fly-ready, and totally legal to fly, no FAA red tape. It's so compact, it fits in your jacket pocket. Forget assembling rotors and downloading user manuals written by robots. With palm takeoff and one-tap controls, even your grandma could fly this thing, and she'd love it. This is not just portability, this is pocket-sized power with Hollywood ambition. Say goodbye to complicated remote controls and hello to cinematic content creation on the go. Your phone may shoot 4K, but can it hover, orbit, zoom out, and then bird's eye your barbecue? With pre-programmed flight paths like orbit, follow, zoom out, and bird's eye, the HoverAir X1 practically directs your content for you. Its 2.7K at 30 FPS HDR video plus triple stabilization deliver buttery smooth footage, even when you're shaking like a leaf on a roller coaster. This drone doesn't just fly, it strategically choreographs your shots like a seasoned film crew. You're not just recording. You're storytelling. And your Instagram followers are about to be very confused how you suddenly turned pro. Who needs extra gadgets when HoverAir X1 gives you 32 GB of built-in storage and ultra-fast downloads via the Hover app? Your content lives inside the drone, private, secure, and ready to transfer to your phone or laptop like whoosh. No cloud subscriptions, no missing files, no memory card drama. Just fly, shoot, and flex. Perfect for creators who want fast, clean, shareable content with no middleman. Whether you're vlogging your hike or flexing your backyard DJ party, your next viral clip is one tap away from stardom. TikTok, meet your new director. Can it crash and bounce back? Yep. Thanks to its enclosed design and safety guards, the HoverAir X1 laughs in the face of accidental drops, bump-ins, and toddler curiosity. It's light, it's strong, and it's smarter than most exes. With a flight time of 11 minutes per battery, enough for 20 smart flight paths, this drone is a time-saving, money-saving, future-proof investment in your content game. Priced to please and tech-tested to impress, the HoverAir X1 isn't just another gadget, it's your AI co-director with wings. Your smartphone is shook. Your TV's insecure. And you? You just became a walking movie studio.